Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of our upcoming videos.
Hey everybody. Now, there's been quite a few big changes here at WB Trading, and there's one change in particular that I thought was worthy of putting together a video for you. Now, you may be here through our emails, or you may have just stumbled across the video on our YouTube channel. Either way, it's great to have you here. And what I want to cover is our new WB Pro community. Now, what is that, and what does it involve, and what am I talking about? So, basically beforehand, we've had a trading course that you can join, and a lot of our traders will probably be watching this video. But we thought there's probably a little bit more out there that we can offer our traders. And so what we designed is taking our course, expanding it, basically revitalizing it for 2024, updating it, adding new content in there, and also building a trading community to support our traders, to get our traders to support each other, and to offer everything that you need to become a successful trader. So what that involves alongside our new course is a Discord channel, our Telegram group, bespoke trading journal software, automated trading systems, expanded coaching, and quite a bit more that you'll be able to see a little later on in this video. So I thought better to put together a guide to show you some of these new features, explain what we've been doing over the last few months because we've been fairly quiet, and give you an idea of what basically has become the WB Pro community. So yeah, let's have a little look inside. So let's start first and foremost with our new course. Now, if you've been in our previous course, you'll know that we cover a lot of aspects of trading. But with this new course, what we've done is update everything live to 2024. We've gone through and basically rebuilt the entire course, added in sections where traders have asked us for more information about it, refined and improved a few sections as well. So whether you're an existing WB trading member or you're a brand new trader, there's a lot in here that will be valuable for you. Just to give you an idea of what we cover in the course, to run through the modules in a tiny bit of detail here, you'll be able to see we have a pretty comprehensive intro section to get you into all our community benefits, which I'll come on to in a second. And of course, we've got getting set up as a trader, so understanding how to get trades placed with your broker, how to even just set up a broker account with a few of our recommended choices. Booking in calls with myself or some of the other coaches here as well, just to get you up and running as well. Partner discounts if you're looking to use specific brokers or pieces of software. You can get a little bit of a help there. From us, we've just partnered up with a few companies. And running through further, we're talking here about elements in trading that are going to be valuable no matter what strategy you're looking at. Understanding risk management, understanding R, understanding drawdown and margin. Elements here that some courses don't tend to cover enough detail. And often that's what really beginner traders need to know. Just to go further down again in short detail, we're going to cover elements to do with what different types of accounts can you trade with, what do we do with trading taxes in certain regions, understanding how a chart works and what we're looking at there. And then further on, we're getting down to our session momentum strategy as well, which is the core concept that we teach to get you long-term consistent income. But the course isn't all we have available here. It's one small part now of the Pro community. So let's have a look at a couple of the other features. Now, the first new feature we have is our Discord community. Now, we put this together a few weeks ago, and it's essentially here to grow and help all of our traders. It can be questions about specific trades. It can be general trading issues. It can be just discussing different types of strategies and anything that traders are interested in looking at. And also advice and suggestions from you guys to see what you would like us to build out in the future and improve on. So you can see here just a snapshot. A few of our team and a few traders are posting in just regular trade updates. You'll see this every day from us. You'll see a few from me here, of course, and general trading questions as well from our team and our community. So it's here as a portal just to help you out with anything that you would like to know. And alongside our main Pro community channel here, what we have is a few sub-channels which cover our community benefits. So let's have a look at a few of these now in detail. One thing I want to focus on first is what we call accountability coaching. Now, we have one-to-one coaching through myself and a couple of other team members, and we've had that for a while now, and I've done over 1,000 calls with traders, so that's something that we're pretty experienced at doing. But we wanted to introduce a second type of coaching, which we call accountability, and it's there just as essentially a quick update with you guys. So if you would like it, one of the team will get in touch with you on a regular basis, just a quick 5-minute call or a quick text, a quick message, just to check that you're progressing with your goals. Those goals could be, I want to get the course finished, or I want to make sure I place a trade, every day this week. I want to make sure I fill my journal out. Whatever it is, if you're struggling with a little bit and need that accountability, we're there to support that as well. Alongside that, we have our one-to-one coaching, and you can see here the links to my calendar and Asri, our other coach, are in there. You can book calls on a pretty regular basis with us, ongoing there, and we'll be able to support you on DL calls to go through any questions that you have, any trading issues that are going to be best served on a call and not just with a message or an email. Alongside the one-to-one coaching, we also have our weekly group calls. So anybody that's been around and been on our course before, you'll be familiar with these. I host a call twice a week, every week. And yeah, anybody's welcome. Bring along any questions. I do a short presentation as well. So we're going to be continuing that with the new pro community. Alongside that, if you do miss any calls, you'd like to catch up on any of the old ones, we have what we call the group call recording folder here. Now what that does is it stores every previous Saturday group call, so you can see the presentation, you can see the questions that were asked, and you can see my responses. Just to give you an idea of what's in there as well, if we come over to here and have a look, you can see that I've got calls in here all the way from current April 2024 all the way back to 2021. So we have quite a few calls in here. That's basically every week we've saved a call in. So there's quite a lot of content that you guys can go through there to have a look at. Now, alongside the coaching and accountability support, we have a few pieces of software that are going to pretty much revolutionize, I like to think anyway, your trading experience. The first one I want to come on to is our trade journal. Now, for a while, we've gone through with traders and provided them with an Excel document, which is pretty comprehensive to fill in and get your trade journal updated. But it's not been the best, and for some traders I know, accessing that hasn't been the easiest thing in the world. So when we basically set out to build the new pro community, this is one of the top things on my list to get sorted. And so what we did was set up an online trading journal that only our pro community members can access. It's a lot better than Excel. I'll give you a quick glimpse here in one of the accounts. So you come over here, we have it set up essentially bespoke for WB trading members. And if I just give you a sneak peek in here, you're going to get this kind of setup here. This is a very new account, so there's not a lot of trades on here, but hopefully it'll give you an idea of what it looks like. You can post your trades in here. It'll give you an overview of your performance. It'll tell you, win rate, average R, etc. What the win streak, losing streak like, what's your overall account looking like. And the best part about it is we can add trades manually into here, but we can also import it. So right now this is linked to a MetaTrader account that when I place a trade, it will automatically come into this journal here. I won't need to type anything in. I can still come in and add my notes and add my information if I need to, but I can also save it manually if I wanted to just type it in myself. We're going to be expanding that out to a few more brokers slowly. So it's not available for every broker, but you can still always manually fill this in. So really accessible, takes a lot of the stress out of journaling no matter what type of broker you're using. And it's also completely online, so you don't need to download anything. You don't need to run a piece of software for it. Very easy to access, and it's going to make a huge difference for a lot of our traders. Now, if that already wasn't enough to turn pretty much everybody into a successful trader, we've got a few more features as well. So we have a Telegram alerts channel. Basically what we're using here is to post our trades in the alerts channel so you can see what trades we've taken. It's going to be a condensed version of our pro community here, which is just going to be focused on the trade information. You're going to see what trades we've placed, and again you're going to be able to follow along and just check your trades against ours. But the last thing I wanted to cover here is what we call the session momentum bot. So for a few of our traders, we know that even being around at the essentially at the right time to take the trades is difficult. You learn the strategy, but you may be working, you may have other commitments, and you're not able to get to the charts at the time you need to be there. So that's where the bot comes in. Now, essentially, if you've never seen a bot or an automated trading system before, in very simple terms, it will take the trades for you. It will find the setup and it will place the trades. We need to run it on a MetaTrader platform. So again, if you're unfamiliar, we have a guide in the course to go through how to set up on MetaTrader. But in very simple terms, the bot will look a little something like this. So this is mine running. I've taken off the actual entry, stop loss and profit points just because, again, it's our strategy and you'll learn that through the course. But it's plotting out some of the elements that we need to see here. And this will do it all automatically. There is no human input here. The only thing you have to do is load it into MT5 the first time, get algorithmic trading set up, decide your risk management rule, and the bot will run. It will do its thing. So for traders that are struggling to get on the charts consistently when you need to for our session momentum strategy, and going forward for other strategies as well, this will make a significant difference. And again, all part of building this community to make everybody we can a successful long-term consistent trader. So with the course, with the Discord, coming back here, with our pro community, with all of our coaching options, and with the bot, we like to think this is probably the most well-rounded package out there for traders. And we wanted to make it accessible for as many people as possible, get the best course out there, and we'd love to have you as a part of it, guys. So any questions, please just drop those in the comments, and yeah, we'll hopefully see you on the Discord really soon.